Here's a typical quick connector that my product would actually function with. So if you take the cap off, it exposes this fitting, and you can see it's a good fitting because it doesn't leak this many years later. Even though it looks like it's contaminated and old, it was still very functional. As you can see, people cut this and they take out the radiator to actually have this so that you can utilize it. I suggest replacing it with a brand new original equipment piece. Okay. Here's an old piece compared to a new piece. When you look at it, it might be functional to use the old piece, but you're just giving yourself an opportunity for a future leak. If you look, this is seized up in there. You'll see that the O-ring is somewhat took a set to the form that it had. And when you look at the new one next to it, there's no reason why you wouldn't want to use the new one if it was offered to you. To take the clip off, simply use a pick, pull the clip, and unwind it gently. This part will come right apart. And to put it back in, simply put the clip back on, wind it onto the part, and then snap this in. That's it.
Go.
I'm only using good quality Gates hose. It's transmission special, and it carries the oil from the transmission to the cooler. In this case, I'm just showing you an example of having my fitting on both ends and doing a full hose. You take the one and you just snap it in, and the other, snap it in, and that's it. They're connected.